Hello, this is Nicole with Gorilla Safety. Today I'll be showing you how to create an accident report in the Gorilla Fleet Intelligence application. The first thing you want to do is log into the app and navigate to your driver's dashboard. From here, find the Accidents menu. On iPhones, it's going to be on the bottom under Accidents. For Android users, click your top left menu and then hit Accidents. Once in the accident menu, the first screen will prompt you to confirm you are pulled over to a safe location and have checked for injuries. Hit continue, and if necessary, call 911. Once completed, continue to the next step and take photos of all four corners of each vehicle. Also, take 2 photos of the accident scene. You can include images of other vehicles or damaged property as necessary. Continue to the next page and record all involved parties. Input all information. You can record drivers, passengers, and witnesses' information as well as take audio statements. Hit done and add any extra parties as necessary. When you're ready, continue to the next page and input the information given from a police report if there was one. Hit finish and your accident report will be stored on your Gorilla Fleet Intelligence database for future reference. An alert is also sent to your fleet manager. For further questions regarding the Gorilla Fleet Intelligence app, please visit www.gorillasafety.com.